Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? It's Crypto Matt here, and I just want to do a quick little midday special video on the importance of having a hard wallet that is not tied to any connection. One of those being the Ledger Nano S, which is right here. This is what it looks like in person. Uh, this little thing can save you a lot of heartache. So I have their website pulled up just so you can see what it's like. It'll be linked in the description if you want to buy one, but guys, it's really important to keep your currency safe, your crypto safe, especially with like all this Korean FUD going on about like them potentially shutting down exchanges. KuCoin is Korean, so like if Korea just halts all exchanges, KuCoin goes down, and so do all of your coins with it. Anything that you have in the exchange is gone. I've even had like some of these like off sites where you have to buy an altcoin, like coinsmarkets.com is the one I'm thinking of right now, just because I lost some money in there. They pulled the plug and you lose everything that you had in there. So the way to combat that is to move your money to a hard wallet like this that can basically not be connected to anything. So if I send my EOS, for example, from Binance into here, if Binance goes down, I still have my EOS and it's still a viable token to be used. Um, it's basically just the most secure thing that you can do with your cryptocurrency. Um, there's wallets online, like QT wallets, that you can download into your computer and run it off your hard drive and all that. But if your hard drive dies, then you lose it if you didn't back it up. You can even be hacked still. So the easiest way, and I can't reiterate this enough, be safe with your money, guys. Don't get hacked, don't get taken advantage of by an exchange. Keep your money in something that is offline, especially if it's a hodl. I do have money in my Binance and my KuCoin, but it is purely my trading money. Anything that I'm holding I'm literally holding in my hand. It's all in here. So just a quick little update on the importance of doing that. I want y'all to be safe and to not lose any money, especially large chunks of money. That would suck. So hope you have a great rest of the day. Buy a Ledger, buy Trezor or whatever they're called. There's a lot of different options. I just went with this one because it's the most popular, widely known, and it works well. You can order it from their website and get it by March 26th, or you can buy it off Amazon, which is a little more sketchy, but just make sure it's an accredited seller. So that's all I got for y'all right now. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Peace.